Demystifying the ballpark figure, a guide to English language learning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and accessible for everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in conversations about estimates or rough calculations. Yes, we're talking about the ballpark figure. Stick around as we unpack its meaning, usage, and origins to help you understand and use this phrase like a native speaker. Let's get started. A ballpark figure is an informal term widely used in English-speaking countries to refer to a rough estimate or an approximation. It's not about precision but about giving a general idea of the size, quantity, or value of something. Think of it as trying to guess how many candies are in a jar. You might not know the exact number, but you can give a range or an approximate number based on what you see. That's what a ballpark figure is all about. A guess that's in the ballpark, or close enough to the real number. Have you ever wondered where this phrase comes from? The term ballpark originally refers to a sports field where baseball is played. The idea behind the phrase is akin to being within the confines or the general area of the ballpark, rather than pinpointing the exact location of a home run ball. It suggests that the estimate is close enough to be considered reasonable, even if it's not exact. The phrase, ballpark figure, started being used in the mid-20th century and has since become a staple in both business and everyday English conversations. Now that we know what a ballpark figure is and where it comes from, let's see it in action. Here are a few examples to show how it can be used in different contexts. In business, can you give me a ballpark figure of how much the project will cost? In everyday conversation, I'm not sure how many people will come to the party, but a ballpark figure would be around 30. In negotiations, before we proceed, could you provide a ballpark figure for the total investment required? Using ballpark figure in your conversations can make you sound more fluent and natural. It's a handy phrase for times when you need to give an estimate without committing to a specific number. Understanding and using phrases like ballpark figure can significantly enhance your English communication skills, making you sound more like a native speaker. It's all about getting the gist of things rather than focusing on precision. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a ballpark figure is and how you can use it confidently in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more intriguing aspects of the English language. Happy learning!